If you want to install the iOS launcher on Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is go to Play Store, and then over here we're gonna search for iOS launcher. There we go. Now after that, you should be able to find a bunch of different launchers that we can use. I'm gonna use this one in this case. Let's install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, but feel free to try any other iOS launcher that you can find in the Play Store. You don't have to use the same one. I'm gonna show you how to set up this one, of course. So over here, we don't have to grant access to location, but we can grant access to pretty much everything else. And what you can also do is go to make default launcher so that you won't be able to go back to the standard Pixel launcher. Of course, that is if you want to. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can just turn it on temporarily to see how it looks like. If you see this blur effect warning information, then you can just press never. It always appears on smartphones. And let's press got it over here. And there we go. We are pretty much now using the iOS launcher. As you can see, we have this iPhone style. If you go to the app library for the first time, you might see this message. We just have to press OK. Go to app library among these options, press consent, and that's pretty much it. Now we can go back in order to have our app library over here. And that is pretty much it. This is how it looks like. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.